I've always enjoyed building things. When I was a child, I used to build toy cars because I couldn't afford to have toys, so I just built my own. So I've always enjoyed that process. Believe it or not, my initial desire was to buy a used plane like most other pilots, but when I thought more about it, this was the plane I wanted all along. And the only way to have it is to build one. The most surprising thing I've learned is a lot of rivets. You spend hours just riveting and riveting, but also learning how every little detail counts. This little thing, if we screw it up, can kill you. It's exciting at first. You should try to keep that excitement, but understand that this is a time commitment. It's gonna take you about 1,500 hours to build this. You may think, yeah, 1,500 hours is nothing, but that's a long time. I wanted this to be a learning process, not just for me, but for whoever's watching. That's why I decided to document this process. I'm asking a ton of questions, so I would advise anyone who wants to do this to do that too. Don't be shy about asking questions. I want people to know that this is possible. 3 years ago, I didn't know this existed, that you could build your own airplane and fly it.